留凯莉说好吃。
When are we gonna do another video?
I think we can make some spaghetti squash. Let's see my wushu skills.
Yotan, what are you doing?
Doing my office stuff.
You wanna come make the spaghetti squash?
可以过来啦，谁搞的可以来啦。
I wanna do it.
What's the first step?
Get the seeds out. We're
Get the
gonna
seeds
show
out, and then we're gonna throw this in the backyard, composting the seeds. Okay, scoop out the wheel. Okay. Okay. Oh, scoop a bit, try. After you cleaned out the seeds from the inside, put some water in, and then flip them around. And then you wait till your oven is ready, and then you put it in.
The key to tenderizing chicken, the Chinese secret, is you use a little bit of water and starch to tenderize it. And we always put a little bit of soy sauce to give it flavor. Annie, I think we forgot the basil. Can you get some basil from the garden?
Okay. Okay, we're gonna get some basil from the garden. Let's see, I'm gonna pick off some of these little ones so that they'll grow back stronger. Do you want to tell them what we have? Yeah?
I know.
What's this? What's this?
I know how to hold
Basil? Basil,
Basil.
Okay, and this is
Chicken?
Yes, gee. And then this is your favorite one? Your
芦
favorite
笋
veggie 芦笋就是 asparagus. 你知道 mush
Stinky mushroom?
the stinky mushroom 蘑菇 and 这个啦
Tomatoes.
tomato 中文呢？中文 tomato 是什么？
番茄。
番茄。
为什么那个每个先就是放油爸爸？
因为放油它就不会get sticky. Chicken 要不要 golden brown 啊？
哦，对。
We'll cook chicken to white. Chicken's almost done, which is perfect. You don't have to cook it all the way in. We'll put the rest of the ingredients in there. Oh, that's the alarm for. What's the alarm for?
Spaghetti squash ready.
Spaghetti squash ready. We're gonna do the spaghetti squash just in time. Alright, we're just gonna cover it. Let it cook slowly. Oh, look at that. It's steaming. How many is this? Count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4, right? It's 4? Okay, we're gonna let this cool and we're gonna get the kids involved to get this thing.
Goo goo gaga gaga.
It's still really hot, so gotta be careful. The juices coming out are still really hot. Twist it out like you're eating spaghetti. This is 叫什么名字？这个 squash.
Spaghetti squash.
How do you spell it? What is that?
S
Yeah. And then
P
yeah.
Whoa, smells good. How's your body different?
好吃。
哇，这么大一个嘴啊！
爸爸为什么没 没有 spaghetti 的里上头
Yeah, spaghetti.
，spaghetti 啦在上头。